Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one's all about Gavin's tin of paint. Looks like it's blue paint as well, so we might as well write in blue for this one. It says the tin is a half full and weighs 5.8 kilograms. He paints a wall in his house. The tin is now a third full and weighs 4.4 kilograms. How much does the empty tin weigh? Well, the key to this one is finding how much he's actually used in the paint. Well, he's gone from 5.8 kilograms down to 4.4 kilograms. So if we work out the difference, we will be working out how much he's actually used. So 5.8 minus 4.4, 8 subtract 4 is 4, 5 subtract 4 is 1. So he has used 1.4 kilograms of paint. However, we need to figure out the difference that this is worth in terms of the fractions that we've been given. So, it is a half full when it's 5.8 kilograms, and it's a third full when it's 4.4 kilograms. Well, this is two fractions with different denominators. So what we need to do is make them have the same denominator. So from a half, which is worth 3/6, down to a third, which is worth 2/6, we've gone from 3/6 full down to 2/6 full. So 3/6 minus 2/6 is 1/6. So he's used 1/6 of the paint. This 1/6 of the paint that he has used must be the same as the 1.4 kilograms that we said he used a minute ago. But now we need to read the second to last line. It says the tin is now 1/3 full. Well, 1/3 is the same as 2/6. So we must have 2/6 of the paint left. Well, now we know that 1/6 is 1.4. If 1/6 is 1.4, then 2/6 that he's got left must be double the 1.4, and double the 1.4 would be 2.8. So 2/6 is 2.8. So it's basically saying that he's got 2.8 kilograms left to use until the tin is empty. So once he has used that 2.8 kilograms, the tin will be empty. So if we take this 4.4 kilograms that we're down to and subtract the 2.8 kilograms that the third of the tin weighs, then whatever's left must be the weight of the empty tin. So 4 subtract 8 we can't do, so borrow from the 4, 4 becomes a 3, and then when we borrow turns the 4 into 14. 14 subtract 8 is 6, and 3 subtract 2 is 1. So the final answer is 1.6 kilograms. The empty tin must be weighing 1.6 kilograms. Just as a quick check, we could say, well, when the tin was half full, that was 3/6, and that would be 3 lots of this 1.4. Well, 3 lots of 1.4 would be 3 4s are 12, and 3 1s are 3, plus the one I've just carried as 4, so that would be 4.2 kilograms. But then when you add on the weight of the empty tin, which would be an extra 1.6 kilograms, because that's what we just worked out, this does indeed add up to the 5.8 kilograms that it just told us, because 2 plus 6 is 8, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So it all seems to make sense. So the final answer, the weight of the empty tin, is 1.6 kilograms.